All right, so in this example, they give us a triangle. They tell us the sides of the triangle. They indicate an angle, alpha, so there's alpha. And then you can think about the sides. Now, we know this is going to be the hypotenuse because it's across from the right angle. We know this is going to be the opposite side. Okay, so it's going opposite the angle that we're talking about. So here's our alpha, and then 4 is going to be the opposite side. And that means the other one's the adjacent side. Okay, so it's a 3, 4, 5 triangle. That's great. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do the trigonometric functions. So the sine of alpha is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. So 4 over 5. So that's opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so you kind of want to remember that. You'll get used to it. I mean, I know it's new, but okay. Cosine of alpha is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So that's what we're remembering. And the adjacent is 3, and the hypotenuse is still 5. And then the tangent of alpha, that's opposite over adjacent. And so in our case, the opposite side is 4, and the adjacent is 3. Okay, so we have those trigonometric functions done. Then they want the secant of alpha. So that's the reciprocal of cosine. So it's going to be hypotenuse over adjacent. And so our hypotenuse is 5, and our adjacent is 3. And then we're going to do cosecant of alpha, which is going to be the reciprocal of sine. So it's going to be hypotenuse over opposite, or 5 over 4. And then we have to do cotangent of alpha, which is the reciprocal of tangent. So that's going to be adjacent over hypotenuse. I'm sorry, opposite. And that's going to be 3 over 4. Now you don't have to keep writing this part out. I was just showing you what the relationships are, the ratios. And there you go. Those are all 6 trigonometric functions for that triangle with that angle indicated, alpha. Now you might be saying, well, what if they use the other angle? Well, then you'd have different answers. But they gave us alpha, and so that's what we went with.